Hi and welcome to my channel. My name is Christina and today I'm going to be doing this super fun eye look from the Naked Heat palette. One of my cult faves. This palette is super pretty, lots of really bright red, warm, shimmery shades. There's also some neutral shades as well for those like myself who like more natural everyday looks on the regular, but there's also deeper shades that you can do some more fun things with as well. So I'm going to be doing this tutorial today and with my nice thick black winged liner. And also we are babysitting our friends' cats. Their names are Ernest and Audrey, so they might make an appearance. And if you hear any noise in the background, that is them. So please excuse any background noise that you might hear throughout the video. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. So if you want to know how I did this look, then go ahead and keep on watching. Okay, so I have already done my face and my brows, and then I also already primed with my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion in the shade Sin, my usual primer. So I'm going to get right into it. Using my Real Techniques domed eyeshadow brush, I am going to go in with the shade Chaser right here, this one. And I'm going to just put this all over my lid. Just kind of set the primer. Hi, Audrey! Hi! Say hi! This is Audrey. You made an appearance this time. Okay, so for my transition shade today, I'm going to go in with the shade Sauced right here. And I am going to be using my same domed eyeshadow brush. With the same domed eyeshadow brush, I'm going to build up this shade right here, Cayenne, and I'm going to build that up on my outer corner. So taking that same domed eyeshadow brush, I'm going to go in with this shade Ashes, this kind of purpley shade at the end here, and I'm going to build that up on top of that shade Cayenne just to add some dimension. And I'm also going to just kind of work that into my crease a little bit as well. So next I'm going to go in with this shade Lumber here. It's kind of like the lighter shimmer shade. And I am going to go in with my Body Shop eyeshadow brush. And I am going to just put that in the center of my lid. Just tap that in there. Woo! Hello! Alright, I'm just going to brush that away with my big Tarte powder brush. Be careful. The shimmer shades in this palette have a lot of fallout. So you don't need to go in with a super heavy hand or a lot of product. Just a couple little dabs and then you still get a ton of pigment and quite a bit of fallout. So I kind of want a little bit more color payoff, so I am just going to go in with my finger and I'm going to go into that shade Lumber right here. Get a lot on your finger. And I'm just going to build up where I put that with the brush on the center of my lid and see. Oh yeah, that's much better. So to just touch up the corners, I'm going to go back in with my domed eyeshadow brush with the purpley shade Ashes, and I'm just going to work that into my outer corners a tad more. Hi. Hi, honey. Please hold for me to scratch the kitty. Hi, sweetheart. So taking my Morphe M441 brush, I am just going to blend all of that out, blend all of that together. Hi, baby. Hi. You know, it's funny, she normally hates being petted. For the last couple days, we've had a hard time just like petting her. She kind of like runs away, and now today she's really feeling it, I guess. Okay, so I'm just cleaning off that Body Shop eyeshadow brush, my flat brush. And then I am gonna highlight my inner corner of brow bone today with the shade Ounce right here. Okay, and then taking my Morphe M441, I am just going to keep blending that. Blend those lines out just a little bit. Okay, so along my lower lash line today, I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. angled, small angle brush, and I am going to go in with that shade Cayenne that we built up earlier. I'm just going to drag that along my lower lash line. Alright, so next I am going to highlight, and I'm going to take my Morphe M310 brush, and I am going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Aurora palette, and I am going to take the shade Luna, this nice white, bright shade here. Just go. Woo! I haven't used this shade yet. It's nice and bright. This palette is like my new favorite. I absolutely love it. Love all the highlights in it. They're all stunning. Alright, and I'm just going to take that down my nose. And on my cupid's bow. Okay, so next I am going to go in with my eyeliner, and I am going to do my Tarte Sex Kitten liquid eyeliner today, and I am going to do a wing, per usual. So, sorry if this gets out of focus. I can't really do this without like leaning forward instinctively, so sorry. I'm just going to darken up my lower lash line real quick. I am going to go in with that purple shade Ashes with my e.l.f. small angled brush, and I am going to darken it up near my outer corner and just kind of work that in. And I am going to stop about halfway across my eye just so it kind of has an ombre effect. Okay, so next I'm going to curl my eyelashes. Okay, and then going in with my usual three, I'm going to first go in with my Ulta Twice as Nice with the lower lash side, and I am going to build that up on the back of my upper lashes. I do this because I like how having mascara on the back of my lashes just makes them pop. So next I'm going to go in with my Tarte Lights Camera Lashes, and I am going to build that up on my lower lashes. Ooh, look a little crazy right now. So last but not least, I'm going to go in with my Too Faced Better Than Sex Waterproof Mascara, and I'm going to build that up on my top lashes. So lastly, I am going to go in with my Tarte Rainforest of the Sea 4-in-1 Setting Mist and set everything. Woo! For lips today, I'm going to be going in with my Colourpop 951 Lip Liner. Just sharpen that down. For anybody buying Colourpop lip liners, they don't tell you this, but you have to like sharpen down the plastic with a pencil sharpener, which they're not super clear about. And when I first got this and it like got down to the end there, I was like, you gotta be kidding me. This is not the only product they give you. And it's not. It's not. This whole stick is filled with product. You just have to sharpen down the plastic, which is really not something you would think you would have to do. So next I'm going to go in with my Colourpop, Ultra Matte Lip in the shade Deeper. Alright, and that completes this look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you liked this Naked Heat palette. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and I will catch you in my next video.